Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Transit tail light. First, ensure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Gather your basic tools, like a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Locate the tail light assembly on the rear of your Ford Transit van, usually on the side of the rear door opening. Now, open the rear door of your Transit to access the retaining screws. You'll typically find 2 or 3 screws holding the tail light lens in place. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight away from the vehicle body to detach it. With the assembly detached, you can now access the individual bulb holders. Twist the specific bulb holder for the faulty light counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. Then, insert the new replacement bulb firmly into the socket, ensuring it is seated correctly. To finish, carefully align the tail light assembly back into its position on the vehicle. Reinsert and tighten the 2 or 3 retaining screws you removed earlier. Close the rear door, then turn on your vehicle's lights and test the new tail light to confirm it functions properly before driving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.